doubt Israelis need to be jazzed up after nearly 2 years of war and a lot of stress here. And who better to bring a little spring into our steps than our next guest, Kai Gluska, a New York-based jazz guitarist and composer who is visiting here in Israel and performing here this month. Welcome to the show, and thank you for coming back to see us.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So very exciting, that you're able to be here performing. I know it's been quite difficult in the wake of October 7th, first and foremost, for you to be home in Israel, performing jazz, where you grew up.
Yeah.
How is this feeling different than other cities that you go to around the world?
Well, first of all, it's my home. I love this place, and it's very different because everything is different. But I think music have great power of healing, and I'm very eager to bring the peace, the word of love and peace, and spread that.
Far and wide, far and wide. So what made you, you think of the United States, you think of New York, you think of, blues. Mm-hmm. It's not, you don't think Israel and jazz. So how did your passion for jazz come about here?
Oh, actually, in Israel, we have a pretty long legacy of jazz from the time Arnie Lawrence, the saxophone player from New York, actually the guy who opened the new school, the jazz department there. He came here and he spread the word of jazz, and ever since, a lot of great musicians came up, and one of them was my teacher when I was young. And his name is Ofer Landsberg, and he showed me everything that I need to know.
Yeah. Tell us about your the new works that you're doing this year.
So I've been composing some music for a new album that is yet to be recorded, and I have a couple of exciting new compositions. One of them is a composition I dedicated to peace. It's called Miami, and Miami is the village that I come from, a little northern from Tel Aviv. It's very close to the third biggest Arabic city, Al-Fahim, and the dissonance between how close we are to each other and how far apart we are was always a little bit bugging me and weird for me. And this song for me is a prayer for peace and to bring us closer together for better times.
And what better way to do that than music? Thank you so much, Kai Gluska, who you are now going to be performing this new song. We can't wait to hear it. And thank you all for watching this week's episode of Jewish World Weekly. We sure hope you enjoyed it. And in the meantime, take it away.
Thank you.